to them sucker when they say you too irrational. See, I said I was king and them lanes started laughing. No, same sucker now, I want the king on the track. I compose several classicals, you know, like Top Bad, dope boy, bring them out and what you know about that. Now they ask high top, what you know about that. Dominated old sick, now I'm going right back. See me right here, let us show just like that. Even Denzel say, damn, I ain't know it like that. Yeah, still bankhead, you can tell. Ain't nothing changed but the name on the mail. I still kicking dough with them things in the air. Up in Benny Hunter, see me slang in them jail. We'll slang, no such thing as a jail. Say you need 100 squares, it just came off the scale. Let's do it. Do it what you wait for. Cause I don't do it. Do it what you wait for. You know you do it. Do it what you wait for. You gotta do it. Now let me hear you say big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Ball on these suckers, shout it loose, just not an option. Now do it like a ball player when you see me ball laying stacks, tall ball player from the stage to the air, whether in Miami, Cincinnati, or in Riverdale, Arizona, California, make it rain anywhere. Pulling out in public, shout it, who you think you finna scare? I send them missiles at you, how you going in your underwear? I told a pair of 40s on me, so you better tone it down. I suggest you just prepare yourself for when it going down. 8-Town, West Side Club, crew should catch me right up at the top, where Big Country throwing Mac beat. Jack a line, say they caught me slipping, how could that be? I'm something like a stalker, I be here where the strap beat, the trap beat. Jumping with the $100 slab. If I want it, I could get 100 on the tail. Sell them all, double down, do the math. Think I won't pull up in something with 200 on the dash? I do it. Do it what you wait for. Cause I don't do it. Do it what you wait for. You know you do it. Do it what you wait for. You gotta do it. Now let me hear you say big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Ball on these suckers, shout it loose, just not an option. Now I do it like I wanna do it right in front of you. Real vision pimpin', I ain't seeing none of you. I do it for my partner, Phil, daughter, and his mama too. I do it for my oldest sons and their grandmama too. Do it for my daughters and my youngest son, mama, who go by what she want because she know it ain't a problem too. You do something to them and then you, I bring the drama too. You do it for a day or so, we do it for a month or two. I do it for my partner, gon' make sure them niggas stuntin' too. We do it with them blockers, ain't no problem where you running to. We do it for the block, that's why ain't nobody stopping me. I do it for my pop and my cousin too, they watching me. I did it non-stop, now see how these rappers capping me. I made it from the bottom to the top, where I ought to be. Who do it did good, and do it different. No matter what I do, you know I do it to death. Hey, I'ma do it. Do it what you wait for. Cause I don't do it. Do it what you wait for. You know you do it.
Disturbing the peace, it's not an illusion. We running the streets, so bye bye to all you groupies and gold diggers. Is there a bumper on your? No, doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the out of my way. I'm DUI, hardly ever caught sober, and you about to get ran over. Go, get out the way, get out the way.
club like I'm working at. It's street clothes, we all street. We on the dance floor, throwing bows, beating up. I'm from the deck, try to disrespect DTP and watch the bottles start flying from the VIP. You clap, two on your body, grab your phone, start a fight, dog, ruin the party. So move, get out the way. All you F motherfuckers make way for 2-0. So move.
Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, move. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, move. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way, move. Get out the way, get out the way, get out the way. It's something wrong, we can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting too, and I've been thinking of busting you upside the mother forehead. And if your friends jump in, they'll be more, causing confusion, disturbing the peace. Since not an illusion, we run in the streets. So bye bye to all you groupies and gold diggers. Is there a bumper on your? No, doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get out of my way. I'm DUI.